What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. What I have for you guys today is part 4 and our final part of our character customization GUI tutorial. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So in the last episode we designed our GUI with our skin color, gender, and hair. So let's get right into this, and I can also maybe show you guys in a bonus part how to do clothes, but maybe I'll think about it. Anyways, what we're gonna start off with going in our main menu and clicking our character customization frame, which has everything we just scripted in it or added into it. Anyways, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go to properties of that, and we're gonna set it to make sure enabled is unchecked. I know it's here somewhere. Visible. Yeah, set visibility to 0. Next, we're going to need a room for our character customization because we're actually going to be bringing our character. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to go ahead and set up our room here. Just a quick little room, nothing much. And let's go ahead and bring it up a notch. It's a nice little room. Make sure there's plenty of area for the camera to fit in. Perfect. And then to get a little floor here, make it look good. Now we'll do something a bit more with the floor, just real quick. Maybe like a little line or something, I don't even know. And make the floor metal, or no, let's make it marble. Marble. Okay, so here, let's bring that back. So this is where our character is going to be standing at on this little pad here. And let's go ahead and add just like a little cylinder to where he's going to be standing on instead of just a pad. Let's go metal that, and let's make it, oh, I don't know, like, that's a good color. Anyways, slap it down there and make our little pad. So this is where he's going to be standing at. So it's like that. Alright, now that we have our actual, camera area set up, and this is, again, this is what, where it will take you when you click customize button, and we'll get into the customize button in a minute, but yeah. So where it's going to take you, you can, and make sure that you want this design. Like I have another design here, I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Made this one a friend. Hang on. It's down here. One more, okay. Okay, how many damn pages is it? Come on. Where did I? Okay, here it is. Anyways, this is something I made for a Star Wars game. It's a spawn room. You guys can see, nice and bright with the neon lights. Got, a little bit of detail, nothing much. Blast door, hallway, but yeah, that's where you can spawn. Anyways, let's go move on. Now that we have our character room, we're gonna set up the camera for the character room. So this is our camera. We're just gonna call this, instead of cam part, we're gonna call it customize part, just like that. And we're gonna, not too much of a bend. just like that. Okay. Now that we've got our camera set up, we're gonna go set up our customize button. So this is our main menu right here. This is our main menu, and now we're gonna go down to our GUI, and we're gonna duplicate that spawn button, drag it down, make sure it's centered, and we're gonna call it customize. Just like that. That way they can just click customize when they want to go over there and customize their character. Hang on guys, I'll be right back. Over with a whole new local script in customize, because we're gonna need to do a lot more than just that. So local scripts. Okay. Shoot. Okay. So what we essentially want to do is when you click the button, we want the camera to go over here. The camera will go over here, and we also want your character to be here, and he can't move. Your character he or she should not be able to move. So we're just gonna literally copy all this out of here, and we're just gonna edit a bit. So this is gonna be a lot easier than. Okay. So now that we've done that, we're gonna need to modify a few things. So first off, this is all right here. This is all right. Camera. Now the actual camera is gonna be different. So we're gonna change this cam part that we did to customize. Customize part. There we go. Dot C-frame. Script dot parent dot enabled equals true. Okay. So now that we've done that, go down one more, and we're gonna do script dot parent dot customize. Hope that's the right button. Yeah, that's the right button. Okay. Mouse button 1, click, connect, function. Okay, and that should do it. So let's go ahead and test this out, see if it works. Okay, there must be something a little bit wrong. Oh, here we go. Oh shoot, okay, yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, so we're gonna need an end here. Somebody's gotta put an end with a clothing parentheses. That should work it out. Customize is not a valid member of text button. Oh, okay, wait, just get rid of script.parent, or get rid of .customize and just do script.parent. Spawn is not a valid member of text button. Spawn, script.parent is spawn, mouse button 1 click. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, I actually don't know why we. Yeah, dude, just delete that bit of the script there. Alright, so enabled. Alright, let's just delete that last bit. Okay, sorry about this. Sorry for the confusion. Customize. Alright, it takes us. Oh shoot! Okay, it's actually taking us to the camera, like I said, but the camera needs to be flipped around. Why? Oh, wait, let's see where the front surface is. Make sure the front surface is facing, oh shoot, facing where you want it to. So just gonna flip that around there and put it like a little angle there. Now let's go ahead and test it. Sorry for the confusion, guys. Customize, bam, it takes us right to our area, and we're actually gonna do a little bit more here with this script. So we don't want play button or how to play to be visible. Visible. Let's go invisible. let's try it down there. Still enabled. Wait a second. I know what it is. It's not enabled. It's visible. There we go. Sorry about that. Sorry about the confusion there. That should now work. Okay, but it's only when we click the button. So we need to move this back up there again. Just under this, I guess. There we go. Let's try that. So it's only when we click the button. Okay, it's still there. Customize. Gone. There we go. Now, what we actually want to do is we actually do want to go ahead and make that play button invisible as well, because we're actually just going to be having a back button as well to the other camera. So now that we've got the camera working, how to play gone, or, you know, honestly, if you guys just want to keep the play button here, you know, you just want to spawn directly from here, you're welcome to do that too. But, you know, character customize, this can be an option if you don't want to do it, or you want to do it, either one. Or if you want to make it to where you have to do it to spawn, then you can just move the or like only make the play button visible over here. Anyways, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna script dot, oh shoot, yeah, it won't run down. Okay, script dot parent dot spawn dot visible equals false. Play, customize, there we go. And also we're gonna do one more thing. Now, this is a lot to take in, but we're gonna do script dot parent wait, script dot parent dot visible equals false. That's gonna set our customize button to false as well, just like that, so we can only see the character. Now that we have all that taken care of, we're gonna add a back button on the customize screen. Once you take it to the customize screen, let's just add another new frame in here, guys. Sorry about this. It's gonna be right smack down right there, and we're gonna set the frame visibility, or no, we're gonna set the frame transparency to 1, and we're gonna call it CC back again. We're just gonna add a little text button inside. Where's the text button? Text button. There it is, and we're gonna just have it in the bottom right here. Background transparency 1. Legacy fonts. Text scaled for this matter, and we're just gonna have it back. So now that we've done that, inside our text button, actually we should be calling that back button. Back button there. Sorry guys if you can hear anything in the background. Oh my gosh. Anyways, inside this local script, we are going to go ahead and access our camera again. So in here, we actually access the camera and put it to this part, right? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy this script. We're gonna change it around. So we're just gonna Control V that in there. Scriptable again. We're gonna change it back to cam part. Okay. So script.parent and mouse button 1 click. Camera not camera type scriptable. Camera not C-frame not. Okay, that's right. And instead of all these being false, we're gonna change them to true. So this is basically just putting the visibility back on all of our frames. And you'll see what I mean. Pretty sure that should work. Customize back. Okay, it's taking us back, but it's not showing our frames. Maybe let's just try deleting them and not even having them in the script. Okay guys, I figured it out. Sorry about that. I was actually not putting 3 parents because it is in back button. This is 1 parent 2 parent, 3 parent. You have to access the main menu, so you make sure you put 3 parents, not spawn, not visible equals true, just like that. And we're just gonna do that for every single one of these so that they all appear visible again. So what is it? Script button frame or dot visible equals true. Okay. And there's one more, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, script dot parent dot parents dot customize dot visible equals true. Okay, now that should do it. Hopefully that will do it. Perfect. Exactly what we wanted. Perfect. How to play, back, play. Okay. Let's continue here. So actually, I forgot to mention something a minute ago. We also want to make sure, before we even do any of those, we're going to do scripts dot parent dot parent dot cc dot enabled, wait, no, dot visible equals true. So that's gonna set our character customization GUI to like visible. Okay, there it is. And on our way back, which is cc back, we're also gonna have to do that again. Script dot parent dot parent dot parent dot cc back dot visible equals false. There we go. And that should do it. Customize. There it is. Select our things, which we'll get to that in a minute. Back. Boom. It's gonna be an extra long episode of scripting, guys. But just get ready. Alright. Moving on to our actual character customization GUI. So let's go and get into this. We're going to go invisible it. Make sure it's visible right now. And let's get into this. So, okay. So, wait a second. Before we even get into this, our character needs to be here, okay? Character needs to be here. So what we're actually just gonna do, let me think about this. Think about how I can do this. I know some people just use like an NPC or another character, and then they clone the stuff onto the character, but it also goes onto their actual character. I don't want to do that. I actually want it to be like, you know, your character is here. So I'm thinking what we do is make a team called customizing or something like that, and we'll set it to like black, really black. And in the customize button, we're actually gonna need to do something. We're gonna go ahead and team wait a second, let's think about this. I got it. Let's put this on auto assignable and make a spawn for it. So let's just duplicate this spawn. Bring it over here, make sure the team color is set to really black. Set neutral off and set it to customizing. Okay. Right on the pad, guys, right on the pad. And let's see where that front surface is. Spin that around. Make sure, you always want to make sure it's even with the top, so it's like kind of glitched a bit. And transparency 1, delete the decal and fire. Let's try it out. So we're gonna go and play. Customize. Boom, there's your character. You can choose. Now, all we gotta do really is just set him to where he can't move. Like, right now he can actually move, unfortunately, but we're gonna set him to where he can't move. Okay guys, we're back. Welcome back. Okay, so what we're actually gonna do to make the character not move is we're gonna access the customize local script, make sure it's under customize. We're gonna go below here, and I'll leave the script in the description, but you're just gonna control V this. I'm just gonna control this. Local master control equals require parentheses game dot players dot local player colon wait for child parentheses. Oh shit, I forgot what that is. Quotations player scripts quotations in parentheses colon wait for child parentheses open parentheses quotations control script quotations and control in parentheses. You get on. Anyways, just copy the script. I'll give you a minute to pause the video here. Alright, now that you've added that into your script, we'll click play. Click customize. This brings us here. Okay, wait a second. Sorry about that. Click customize. Wait a second. Let's just hang on. Why is it? Make sure this isn't neutral. Actually, I think there needs to be. Let's just call this gray team. Make sure it's not auto assignable, and let's call it dark stone gray. Okay. Play. Customize. Spawns us here. If you try to move, I'm using my WASD. Not moving whatsoever. No space, nothing. That is good, okay? That is good. And I will leave this script in the description, but you guys actually just copy it right now if you want. Just pause the video right now and copy this. And this is our main local script. It's under main menu. Should be right below it if you guys followed along. And guys, we just added a couple things to this. We added a team change, which will change you to the team after you're done customizing. And then we also added to where it allows you to move again. So we're just, just pause it here, copy it, or leave it in the description for y'all. So yeah, so let's go ahead and test this out. Customize. Boom, boom, boom. We'll get to that later. Play. Takes us right here, and it will spawn us in. One thing I can't do is make another spawn, like where it changes you, because that will mess around with the play button, because the script is set to where as soon as a character spawns in or resets or gets killed in this case, the menu comes up. So I guess you just have to spawn in the character customization room and go from there. You guys can do whatever you want with that. Sorry about that. Nothing I can do about that. I mean, I kind of wish there was, but I might try to find a way that we can have another spawn. But yeah, you guys can still change teams and stuff. Anyways, alright guys, let's begin actually scripting the customization features. So we're gonna begin with skin color. Let's get right into it. What I want you guys to do is I want you guys to add a value, a brick color value to be exact, into each of the skin color buttons. So it's literally called brick color value. Once you've done that, we're going to go into the properties of the value and change it. The first one will be pastel brown. Second, skin color 2 will be nougat, or however you say it. And the third one, rust. Once you've done that, we're going to insert a local script into skin color 1. I'll give you a minute to finish up with the values. Alright, let's begin. Player equals game dot players dot local player. We're gonna access the character Now we're gonna do x equals script dot parent dot value dot value. Now we're gonna script dot parent dot mouse button one click. This is making our button actually function. So when we click it, it will actually change the skin color. There we go. Now we're gonna do character dot head dot brick color equals X. Now we're gonna go over one character dot torso dot brick color equals X. Now this is gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna do character no dot. We're gonna do open brackets, quote quote, close brackets, right arm, and we're gonna continue with dot brick color equals X, as you guessed. And then we're simply just gonna copy this. Oh wait, we gotta put a space. Tab, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, and let's put a space, space, space. Okay. Now that we've got all these situated, we're gonna go ahead and make them work. So we got right arm already. Let's go ahead and do left arm and right leg, and finally left leg. And we're not going to forget our ends. We're just going to go down to end parentheses, close parentheses, just like that. And we're going to get out of our script, play. We're going to test it now. Oh, before we do that, you guys want to go into workspace, and you guys want to find your spawn in here. You guys want to find your spawn. Wait, where's the spawn? There it is. Customizing spawn, and we're gonna go down to force field, and we're gonna set the duration to 0. You can set it. You can have a duration, but it just looks way better if you don't have a duration. So, because that's like the little shield that protects you from getting killed. Now, if this is a combat game, definitely have a force field. So let's go and continue. Customize skin color. Oh, how could I be so stupid? Put the local script in all of the skin color buttons, just like that, and close them up. Close up skin color. Play. Customize. Boom. As you can see, the skin color change works. And we can just click back and play, and there we are. That's simple, guys. Skin color changer. Let's go ahead and end it off here. It's already been long enough. I got you the skin color working. We will continue this in the next episode, which won't be long, I promise. I just don't want to cram all this into one video because it's already been long enough. If you guys did enjoy this part 4, soon to come part 5 of this tutorial, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. Peace.